Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In the earlier episode, we discussed about naive-Bayes algorithm and how it works. In this video, we are implementing naive-Bayes in Python. So let's get started. In this Python code, we are writing code for predicting whether to buy ice cream or not based on the temperature. Hence, the first is to import the libraries. As step 1 is to importing libraries from sklearn.naive_bayes import Gaussian NB. So here we choose Gaussian NB because our feature, that is temperature, is a continuous numerical data. So naive-Bayes is perfect. Step 2 is creating a small data set. So that first we have like temperature in Celsius, so temperature is a feature and we give like x equals to some values like 32 comma and then another is 21 comma is 22 comma 25 comma 17 and then 27 and 40. Okay, this much. So these are the temperatures. Now let me give y as whether to buy ice cream or not. That's why buy ice cream if it is s then equals to 1, if it is no equals to 0. Here okay, so y equals to 1 0 0 1 0 1 comma 1. Okay, if temperature is 32 then it is yes, if temperature is 21 no, 22 no, and then 25 yes, 17 no, 27 yes, and 40 yes. So this means if the temperature increases, people are more likely to buy ice cream. Next step is to create and train the model. So step 3, creating and training the naive-Bayes model. Okay, then we have model equals to Gaussian NB and this. So this creates naive-Bayes model, and then next step is to model dot feed and then x comma y. So this is for training. This will learn how temperature affect the buying behavior or the relationship between temperature and buying ice cream. And next step is step 4 is to make prediction, like making a prediction and then prediction equals to model dot predict, and then I will give some value like 24. Okay, so this helps model predict. Now I can print like print, like buy ice cream at 24, and then I will like this, and if it is yes, then if prediction and then 0 equals to 1, else no. Okay, sorry. So here we ask the model, if the temperature is 24, will people buy ice cream or not? The model returns 0 and 1. Next step is step 5. Finding the probabilities of yes and no. Okay, then prob equals to model dot predict, and then proba, and then I will give of 24. Sorry. Okay, and this will, I will print the probability of the no and then yes. Okay, probability of no is probab 0, and then okay, similarly probability of yes and then 0 and then 1. Okay, so this will give me the probability of the no and then yes. Let me run this. Yes, so I had questions, will we buy ice cream at 24 degrees Celsius? Then the answer is yes, because the probability of yes is higher than the probability of the no. Now let me check for 17. 17, here also let me write 17 and then 17. Now let's run and see. I get no as answer because the probability of the no is greater than the probability of yes. So this is how we use naive Bayes algorithm in Python. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next episode.